So, if your Samsung's tablet screen is flickering here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do or you may want to check here to fix this issue. Now, first things first is you may want to disable adaptive brightness and set it to a fixed level. Now, you just want to go to your settings, then you want to go to display, and basically turn off adaptive brightness. Now, then manually adjust the brightness to a mid level. Some tablets flickering, especially at very low brightness. Now, next thing that you want to do, just in case the previous step does not work for you, is you want to restart the tablet and test it in safe mode. Now, you want to power off and then turn it back on. Now, if the flickering continues, put into safe mode, which disables third-party apps to see if it recently installed or if a recently installed app is causing the actual issue. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings. You want to go to software update and make sure your tablet's operating system and apps are fully updated. Now, usually out of date software can cause or often causes this screen glitches. Now, in some models, you may need to clear the system cache or change display settings, like motion smoothness. So, you may want to set it to standard, or basically, you may want to disable any blue light filter as well, or eye comfort shield features. Now, if the flickering persists after all the steps before you did, well, it might be a hardware issue, like a loose screen cable or a damaged panel. Well, at that point, backing up your data and visiting the unauthorized Samsung Service Center is the wise step here. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.